Bad weather can be a good day for photography. Lately, I've been preferring those sort of days over the full sun, clear sky days. This is because bad weather days bring all the drama. It adds a unique and dramatic element to your photos. In this video, we'll explore tips and techniques to help you make the most of these conditions. It all starts with preparation. So before heading out, it's crucial to be prepared. Check the weather forecast and understand the specific challenges you might face. If the conditions are too extreme, it's best to not risk going out and risking yourself and your camera gear. Dress for the conditions to keep yourself comfortable. You never want to be wet and cold, which is a terrible combination, and a sure way to turn your bad weather photography day into a nightmare. Bad weather can create unique opportunities for shots. Rain, for example, can create reflective surfaces, while fog can add depth and drama to your photos. Overcast skies can act as a natural diffuser, reducing harsh shadows, providing for a more balanced overall composition. Experiment with your camera settings in bad weather. Consider a slower shutter speed to capture the rain or even the snowfall, and use a wider aperture for creative depth of field effects. Make sure your camera gear is weather sealed. Now, this isn't a pass to get anything wet, it's just an important layer of protection. You can also use protective covers to shield your gear from the elements, like these raincoats. I also recently picked up one of these camera umbrellas as an alternative to raincoats. Now that comes down to personal preference, rain cover or umbrella, but it may be difficult to use an umbrella in high wind situations, so that's definitely something to consider. All right, a little bit of rain just rolled in, but we're prepared because we got rain jackets, a little umbrella, and all this gear is weather sealed. Just an extra layer of protection. You still don't want to get it wet, so of course use rain covers, umbrellas, anything to keep it all dry. In post-processing, you can enhance the mood of your photos by experimenting with masks, adjust contrast and even clarity in some areas to make them moody. For example, I reduced the clarity in this foggy area even more and added light warm glow to exaggerate that morning light. Bad weather can be a fantastic opportunity for capturing some of your favorite landscape photos. With preparation and a hint of experimentation, you can turn challenging conditions into memorable images. So embrace the elements and start exploring this beautiful world of bad weather photography. My name is Matt, and thanks for watching.